This time on Andy and Nick Get Lost, death traps, tanks, machine guns and Elvis impersonators. Join us as we travel down the Mekong Delta to the Ho Chi tunnels, the underground stronghold that helped decide the Vietnam War. The Ho Chi tunnels are a massive 250km underground network near Ho Chi Minh City, used by the Viet Cong as a strategic base, hospital and supply route during the Vietnam War. Dug by hand, they feature multiple levels, hidden kitchens and booby traps. Today, they are a preserved memorial park. Shooting guns wouldn't normally be our thing, but we thought it might be the only chance we get, so decided to give it a go. The tunnels were built on 3 levels, reaching depths of 3 to 12 metres. They were designed to withstand bombing and included bedrooms, command centres and workshops.
Swing like this and you got free massage. Okay, so now, lady first. You change your mind. We already paid. If you don't try, no refund.
The Ho Chi tunnels features ingenious, deadly and mostly bamboo-based booby traps created by the Viet Cong to maim rather than kill, slowing down US forces.
Slide straight to your body if you are standing here. And it's harder for you to catch up under because the hook, and you hold on the top, the bottom swing. And it hits you here, you signal forever.
Our guide Alex was amazing. His knowledge and passion for the Vietnam War kept us informed, while his hilarious one-liners made us laugh all day. He even serenaded us with his guitar on the boat on the way back. The Mekong Delta in southern Vietnam is a vast, fertile biological treasure trove and the rice bowl of Vietnam, producing over half the country's agricultural output. Covering roughly 40 to 50,000 kilometres squared, this maze of rivers, swamps and islands is home to 18 million people and is highly vulnerable to climate-induced sea level rise. We really enjoyed this day trip and it was amazing value for money. It cost around £30 per person and included hotel pick-up and drop-off and a really nice lunch.